There we go. Welcome to this video. We have multiple storms having a setup back there. There's non-stop lightning, so please enjoy the view. Okay, so I'm recording. Damn. This is some intense lightning. A long track along with supercell, possibly behind here, currently in southeast Michigan. Location will not be said, but there's severe storms setting up back in the northeastern edge. Please, if anything, just be safe, I guess. God bless America. Ain't nothing like this. Oh, here we go. Storm's passing right above us. Probably gonna bring large hail, a possible tornado, and it's gonna bring monstrous lightning. And yeah, that's all the setup's gonna be for now. If anything changes, the chances for tornadoes are getting even better. Look at that. That's just lightning back there. Yeah. I'm starting to get hit by rain. There we go. Well, let's hope we get a tornado today. As I may need to get a coat, I'll be right back. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that lightning already. Alright, there we go. Am I reading a possible tornado behind me? Yeah. Oh, let's see. I'll use night sight to enhance that, but it looks like a possible tornado. Oh, that's cool. There we go. Alright, take it away, camera. Oh, there we go. Got lots of lightning. This is one evil storm. Hi, baby. Yeah.
You can't be outside. No, it's too cold.
I was getting her off. I was going to take her outside. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll be right back.
Hey, what is it? Her sidewalk. Oh, already getting some mean lightning. Oh. It is lightly raining currently. And, sorry you had to go through this rain. Wow. Very sorry for... I might have to cut myself out of the video. Don't think the other way. Alright, oh, there we go. Got some monster lightning. Oh, it's like everywhere. Hi, baby. And if any of you were wondering, I was saying hi to my little baby sister. Don't mind me. I'm just, Whoa! Whoa, what the hell? That was bright. I know I definitely got that. Whoa! I know I definitely got that sound, but that's a loud thunder. That's like very loud. There we go. That's some loud, loud thunder. As always, my name is Meteorologist Gage, and I work for the Wayne County Severe Storm Tracking, or just trackers. Excuse me, I misspelled it. Seen over there. Excuse me for the bright light. There was just... Whoa, look at that. Look at that cool cloud. I don't think y'all can see that, but that's a large, large funnel cloud. Excuse me, but I don't know what that is, but it's just a cool cloud formation. Currently it is April 2nd, 2024 at 9:57 a.m. p.m., excuse me. I am not... Well, look at that. That's... Whoa, damn, we getting so much shit, so much crap at the same time. Over there, it's not visible to the camera, but it's a large cloud, so cool. Anyway, the main activity is heading back that way. Well, it's not heading anywhere necessarily, but I would believe it is somewhere back there, as it is illuminated the clouds very briefly too. Whoa. I'm fine. The severe weather setup for today is currently an enhanced or slight risk for severe thunderstorms, as it's probably gotten higher by now, but currently there's already thunderstorms that have fired off. Whoa! Whoa, that was bright. We got that on camera. Did you just see that lightning? That literally. Wow, that was the most brightest lightning I've ever seen. Storms have been firing off for nearly around since actually 7 a.m. Whoa, we got some very bright lightning. We're taking off the side here. Oh, there's just some cool red parts of the sky from illumination, but back there is some intense lightning. We just saw like it go across the entire sky. My main focus is right here, so I'll move us. Planting. Whoa, there we go. We're firing off with some intense lightning. There's just planes that have to drive through this crap. Well, wow. Yeah, but they can drive. Good thing about it. If anything, the best chance for like larger hail cores would be past there, but I don't exactly know if they've already began to fire off. Okay, we could obviously see a very, very large cloud back there, and that's supporting the thunderstorm's ability to produce monster lightning like this. We've been recording for nearly 22 minutes now. We've already caught some intense lightning. As it's just something Mother Nature has created. It's just a beauty to see. This is an intense storm. So anyone that's driving, I suggest you should probably just stay out of the way of this. Whoa, look at that. Some amazingly large purple lightning. So I'll take off our focus of that area. The main area of lightning is back there. As it has already made some loud thunder. And oh my. Yeah, it's one intense storm, that's for sure. As tomorrow, it's just gonna look like your normal day. It's gonna be a little bit warm and chilly at some points. A little bit cloudy. Whoa! 2 lightning strikes. There's some crazy lightning today. Oh, there we go. Small little light. I may be young, but who the hell cares? It's all for a study of meteorology, after all. If you want to see more stuff like this, just turn on your notifications. And you could see more updates on either severe weather, convective outlooks, and many more. And no, I'm not asking you to subscribe, because that is just foolish to ask when people do it without even having to. Oh, look at that! That was a bright old lightning. I'll let the camera take it. Whoa! Just as I was about to finish my sentence. It clearly deviated me. Okay. I'll let the camera take it away. Enjoy the little views you can get of this storm. There we go. There we go. You can see the lightning from a distance. As this is a long form video, it's gonna be non-stop lightning. This is an interesting storm, I have to say. As I did post a recent video on the April 2nd, well, April 1st, or I believe it was Sunday, March 31st, with an intense, long track, severe thunderstorm across parts of Michigan, and I believe it touched down 4 different tornadoes, with the strongest being an EF1. And I've been documenting these storms for a long, long time. There's been some secret videos I haven't posted yet of the storm. Some of them I may have to take off the audio due to personal reasons. But look at that lightning. It is non-stop. These storms are quite the intense ones. As I don't know if it was a supercell, but damn, this is, whoa, there we go again. Just illuminating the sky. Crazy lightning. Please excuse me for a moment. Wow. I think got that. There we go. This is a pretty strong storm, as now the entire thunderstorm is closing in on us. Oh, I've never seen such an impressive storm. That's some crazy stuff. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Got some more intense lightning. You can hear the roar of that thunder. Oh, there we go. That was bright lightning. Oh, there we go again. This is intense lightning. Wow. More crazy lightning. Just please enjoy the view as we take you along in this intense storm. Yes, wow, wow. I seriously hope it doesn't start kicking out with winds. Then I'll knock over a tripod. And yes, it's dark. This is at the time I'm recording this, it's probably around 10 p.m. So, I'll stop yapping, just enjoy the view. Wow. We are going to be recording until it hits the 1 hour mark. So got around 22 more minutes. So this is just crazy. Wow, look at that. Alrighty, enjoy the view. À vous les bon temps. Quite some. This is quite the erratic lightning. Oh, there you go. Even more. Whoa. This is crazy yet again with this bright lightning. As now the storm is progressing, the chances for tornadoes are likely not going to happen, as it's looking like there's absolutely no rotation or whatsoever, and that completely decreased the likelihood for a tornado. Unless there could be one, I have no clue, but looks like there's a very low chance. But as this storm looks and is pretty damn strong, but I don't know if it's that strong. Unless it could produce a tornado, and I would have no clue. As now this video is coming to an end shortly here, I would just come to stop for a moment and thank all of you for your great support and all the subscribers who are along with me in this journey. I've been on YouTube for nearly 2 years, and this is the amazing stuff I've been recording ever since. And so I just appreciate every bit y'all have done for me. But seriously, thank you. As I'd like to say, thank you for watching the video, and this is the end of the video. And as always, stay safe when it comes to severe weather. I quoted it June 1st. Alright, see y'all later.